Normally, in a chateau, one would expect to see some grand fireplaces. Hugely impressive and quite often grandly decorated. Very much a feature of the amazing rooms in which they are to be found. Sadly, here at Clerbaud's, this is not the case. Except for just one, all of the original fireplaces have gone, being replaced over the last 100 years with smaller and less grand, and in some cases totally ugly fireplaces, all in the name of fashion. We plan to replace these fireplaces with ones that are much more in keeping with the age and style of the chateau. This podcast is about sourcing a new fireplace to replace this one. Today I am off to purchase a beautiful fireplace from close to La Rochelle. I have had to buy it in situ and pay for a team of workers to remove it, hopefully without damaging it. Fingers crossed. So now the fun is about to start.
And you will take it in your van? Huh?
It's okay. As you can see, this beautiful fireplace should fit perfectly within the chateau. It has been hand carved and features the tree of life on the mantle, most likely made as a wedding gift. It will go in our de Graham suite, which will be furnished in the style of the late 1700s. I really can't tell you just how nerve-wracking it is watching them take this fireplace apart, absolutely hoping that they don't break any of it. But as I've already paid for it, there's no going back. I left the room for just a few minutes, and when I came back, the top had been removed, pretty much in one piece with very little damage, thank God. So far, everything seems to be going pretty well. They are making pretty fast progress. Here, they need to be really careful. Oh no, what did I say? It's cracked. You see just how easy that split? Hopefully, we will be able to stick that back together and hide the join. But this really isn't ideal. That piece should have been slid off, not lifted, and they really ought to have known that. Despite what it looks like, they're not actually just cutting through the fireplace anywhere. They're cutting through the joins where it was originally put together. Now, thankfully, they've learned from their previous mistake and are supporting this and sliding it off onto the supports. Hopefully this will go without any problem. And now I'm getting worried again. It seems they're not going to slide it off. They're going to try and tip it over onto the padded plank. To say I'm nervous is an understatement. Really not happy about this. Whoa, how the heck did that not break? Now they're lifting it up from one end again, which is how the other one got broken. Now it seems that they're really not sure how they're going to do this. I have paid a lot of money for this fireplace, and I won't get that money back if it's all broken. It was at this point that I really couldn't take any more. I decided to leave them to it and go out and have some lunch, and then come back and see just what's happened. I only popped out for half an hour, and amazingly, when I got back, the whole fireplace was dismantled without any further breakages. Thank God. Now comes the problem of getting it loaded into the van. This should be slightly less tricky. Oh dear, looks like it's indecision time again. This bit should be pretty easy, surely. No, don't do that. These boys really love dropping it and asking for trouble, don't they? This is just crazy, so nerve-wracking. Bringing it out with absolutely nothing to support it underneath. This is just asking for trouble. These pieces of stone are extremely heavy, but they're also extremely fragile. There we go, slide it in gently, that's the way to do it. Now they are bringing out the lower parts of the fireplace, the smaller supports that hold the whole thing up. Being smaller and actually thicker, they are far less susceptible to breaking. At least they've now got the hang of the sliding it in technique. Finally, it's all in the van safely. What did they say? All is well that ends well? Now at last I can relax and smile again.
Chateau, moi venir, manger, dormir, c'est bon? No problem, no problem.
This fireplace is beautiful, and it's really going to look amazing when we get it installed in the chateau later on this summer. If you have enjoyed watching this video, why not click on the subscribe button that has just appeared. Also, check out our Patreon page in the link below. On there, you will find other ways in which you can help and support us in our project. It really does mean a great deal to us that you are interested in Chateau Clerbaud and preserving its wonderful history. Thank you.